Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Audi S8 versus the Audi R8. We'll explore their fundamental differences, from their body styles to their intended uses. The S8 provides executive luxury with impressive power, while the R8 delivers pure, unadulterated supercar thrills. Understanding these core distinctions will help you appreciate what each vehicle brings to the road. When it comes to performance, both Audis are exceptional, yet they achieve speed differently. The S8's twin-turbo V8 engine provides immense torque for effortless cruising and quick sprints. In contrast, the R8's naturally aspirated V10 delivers a high-revving, visceral experience characteristic of a true supercar. The R8's lighter weight also gives it an edge in track-focused scenarios. Inside, these cars diverge significantly in their approach to comfort and utility. The S8 provides a lavish, spacious environment, perfect for long journeys with multiple passengers, featuring premium materials and cutting-edge infotainment. The R8, however, is a cockpit built for two, emphasizing driver engagement with a more minimalist, performance-oriented design. Practicality clearly favors the S8. The driving experience is where their personalities truly shine. The S8 masterfully blends executive comfort with surprising agility, making it a superb daily driver that can also thrill. The R8, on the other hand, is a pure sports car, offering an unfiltered connection to the road and an intoxicating engine note. For those looking to simplify their healthy eating, check out the leak-proof meal prep containers linked in the description, along with other great deals. While both are premium vehicles, their value proposition aligns with their distinct purposes and price points.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.